turn off the sewing machine. Align the hand marking with the machine body marking. Lift the presser foot lifting lever. Open the faceplate cover. Place the thread spool on the spool pin. Draw the thread from the spool through the upper thread guide. Lead thread down the right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Thread the guide from the right-hand side. Lower the presser foot. Press the lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release the lever. The thread will be threaded into the needle eye. Pull the thread backward.